The ship we're looking for is up ahead. Get ready to fight. Rattle the chains. Come on.
They're turning toward us. Their speed is good. They're going to try and board our ship soon. Get ready. And may we be victorious.
May we be. Captain, we're on it.
What a move. I would do the same if I were in your shoes, my friend.
A well-planned ambush would have been quite sufficient to kill Oruç. So why create such an elaborate scheme? Is that what you're asking? I don't like traps. Because traps are silent, no fun. I want to hear the gigantic roar of the massacre. The brutal scream of the carnage. Doing it like this, everyone will see and hear what happens to the likes of Oruç. You see?
Are you mad at him then because you took Abu Muhammad?
Oh, not at all. Not at all. Not at all. That issue has only made us encounter a momentary delay. I'll get him back soon. Very soon. I'm not mad at Oruç, but rather, I actually understand him. I secretly have respect for him. And that is why, in order to prevent others from respecting the likes of Oruç, and also to stop the number of those who wish to be like him, Oruç needs to suffer a rather spectacular death.
Cut down the ropes! Don't let them onto the deck!
Don't let them soil our deck with those dirty feet of theirs.
Their numbers are few, but they are really determined and persistent. And they insist on polluting
They will
our
either
deck.
clean it up with their own tongues, or they will paint it with their blood. I'm sensitive about cleanliness, you know.
But Oruç, they're not going to yield.
Fall back. Let them hit our ranks and disperse. It seems that their intent is to kill us. This might be a trap set for us. Be vigilant and be ready!
Oruç is a man who is capable of doing many things. He's also very aware of what he can and cannot do. That's why we have to find his soft spot. So tell me, what is his weak spot?
His brother. They got into trouble with Anton because of Ilya's mercy, didn't they?
And now we have to start tapping into that mercy. And thus force them into making mistakes. Oh. Game over.
So now you will deceive Urush just as you deceived me a while ago.
Yes, exactly. As I happen to have everything that it takes to fool the both of you. I have a great working mind. And men who are willing to die for me.
What will happen after that?
Then we'll play other games, and perhaps you might just win.
My friend, I'm serious here.
When we've handled Oruç, it'll be time to handle the other man.
Hazir.
Yes. And then I'm going to take the time I want and enjoy playing him.
attack us when you know that you'll die?
Never mind that. If you think that by killing me you're going to be victorious, know that we'll burn down the Muslim villages and reduce them to ashes. You won't come out alive on the other side.
What village? Which village have you raided?
Today, one of them. Tomorrow, all of them.
Tell us who you are. Whose black flag is this? What have you done? I was trying to extract information out of him about the raid.
If someone starts to talk on his last breath, you have to think twice, Ilyas. This man's words have become his most dangerous weapon. And those words are more dangerous than swords or arrows. Don't you ever forget that.